is Brainwasher, and I'm really interested in the ways how the Rubik's Cube works. And I've learned some beginner methods. It means you speed cubers, so I'll say about the F2L method. But I'm not actually good with the F2L method. I mean, I'm really slow. In the last video, I did about 3 minutes. And this video, I'll do in 5 minutes. But before I do that, let's see how I solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so I mixed up this Rubik's Cube. Unfortunately, okay, so that is it. The focus is on the way, so let's start. So, this cube is a little, well, it glows on the dark, and it has the black side. So, when you do it on the dark, actually, you can't really see the difference between these three sides. But anyway, let's start with the cross, which is the easiest step, and I bet you know this. This matchup with this. I mean, the cross is one of the easiest steps for cubing. I mean, okay, so I know the F2L method, but I really don't want to use it because it is an unfortunately hard step for the beginners. Okay, so I'll tell you what's going on. I mean, the F2L method uses something like this. It uses these moves. But before you use these moves, think about this, that this part moves to right here. See, this part moves to right here. So this is what you get. So you need, in the F2L method, to get these steps, in the fewer steps, you move this to this, which takes some method, but I'm not going to tell you right away because, well, it's a really hard. Now, there are 2 steps to have the corner orientated. The first one is like this. You have the black side and you want to go over here. But use something like this. When you see some speed cuber testing the speed of the cube, they do a simple move. It goes like this. This is the front side. Turn the front clockwise, turn the up face clockwise, turn this down anti-clockwise, and turn this anti-clockwise. This is the perfect test move to any cubers. I mean, just do this every time. And, just do this when your cube is solved. When your cube is not solved, this is the perfect way to get your corners orientated. If you keep doing this, it is, the rule says, the cube will come on its face. So you have the first face covered. If you are not sure, feel free. I have another method I'm gonna tell you in the end of the video. Okay, so wait a minute to focus. Okay, so let's see. I want to move this edge into here, and well, it's time to use the edge sequence. The first edge sequence is something like this: clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and clockwise. And that, well, is not really you want to do. So we just undo it. Clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. And you're good done with this one. I'm moving this very slowly so you can understand what I'm doing. Now you want to do this with this. Now in the first one, we did anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise first. Now it's the opposite. You do clockwise, 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 clockwise first, which gives you this connected edge. Now you just bring it to your side and you're done. Okay, so in another case, which I am not, okay, so I am. In this case, you do any of you want. The easy step you do, and this will bring this edge into 180 different location, this or here. And then you just spin and you bring it back again. This is rock. This isn't very good when you're a speed cuber, when you're but when you are a beginner, well, it's awesome. So you need to bring this to this, back up 30 seconds, I suppose, and do this method. And then, okay, so this. So how do you do it? You just do any of you like, and this brings you to here. So you spin it 2 times to get you here. So this here to here. And then you do the method you want. Okay, so if we did this and we done this, so let's go. Whoa. You need to make the yellow cross. Making the yellow cross is a really simple step, but it takes some time since you need to actually remember it, memorizing. Okay, so the sequence is F, so turning your front face clockwise, clockwise, clockwise,